Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve some of the MCQs related to law of chemical combination, basic concepts of atoms and molecules, Avogadro's hypothesis and mole concept. Now the formula related to all the concepts, what we have to revise is, you must know that 1 mole of any substance corresponds to the molar mass of that substance and must contain Avogadro number of molecules, electrons or particles or ions, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, and must occupy a volume of 22.4 dm cube or 22400 cm cube. Students, once you get the number of molecules, you have to multiply them by the atomicity of the molecule to get the number of atoms. Now, taking into consideration this formula, let us solve few of the MCQs. Now, the first MCQ what is given here is in an ionic compound. Now, the word ionic compound here indicates that you have to calculate the formula mass. Now, students, what is the difference between the molecular mass and the formula mass? For a covalent compound, the total masses of all the atoms is the molecular mass, and for an ionic compound, the same calculation we call it formula mass. So, as the word is given ionic compound, we will be calculating its formula mass. Now, in the question, they have given that the cation to anion ratio is 1:2. Therefore, the molecule that will be formed is of the CA2 type. So, masses they have given. For the cation, the mass is 138 and that of the anion is 19. Now, as the anion is in the ratio 2, so I will multiply this by 2. So, the total will come to 176. So, your answer here is second option. Let us see the next question. Which of the following contains largest number of atoms? Now students, as they are asking you to calculate the largest number of atoms, I have to convert all the given options in number of atoms. So what is the formula to calculate the number of atoms? So number of atoms is equal to, first I have to need to calculate the number of moles. So number of moles into Avogadro number into the atomicity of that molecule. So let us go for the first option. What they have given in the first option is 1 gram of oxygen atom. So 1 gram divided by the atomic mass, that is 16, into Avogadro number into what is the atomicity of oxygen atom, student, is 1. So this will come to 1 upon 16 into Avogadro number. I am keeping Avogadro number as it is because it will be common to all the options. Come to the second option, they have given 1 gram of O2 molecule. So it will be 1 divided by molar mass of oxygen molecule is 32 into Avogadro number. What is the atomicity of O2 molecule is 2. So this will be 2 by 32 Avogadro number. So that is again 1 upon 16 Na. Right? Come to the third option. The third option they have given is 1 gram of ozone molecule. So 1 gram ozone molecule will be 1 upon, ozone is O3, so it will be 16 into 3, that is 48 into Avogadro number. What is the atomicity of ozone, student, is 3. So this will come to 3 upon 48. Avogadro number, that will be again equal to 1 upon 16 Na. If you see the number of atom in all the three options, number of atoms they are coming same. So your answer will be all have equal atoms. So answer is fourth option. Come to the next question. The question is, which of the following has the least mass? Now to know the least mass, I have to convert all the given options in mass. See the first option what they have given. 2 gram atom of nitrogen. Now students, 1 gram atom of nitrogen means 14 gram. Here they have given 2 gram atom. So what will be 2 gram atom is equal to? Therefore 2 gram atom of nitrogen will be equal to 28 gram. Right students? See the second option what they have given. 3 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of carbon. Now you know that if I take 6 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of carbon, then it will be 12 gram. Now here they have given 3 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, means it's just half. So how much it will be? It will be 6 gram of carbon. First is 28 gram, second is 6 gram of carbon. See the third option. Third option they have given 1 mole of sulfur. Students, 1 mole of sulfur will be equal to the molar mass or atomic mass of sulfur. So that will be 32 gram. See the fourth option, they have given 7 gram of silver. 7 gram of silver will correspond to only 7 gram. Now if I check the options, what is the question, student? They want the least mass. So least mass will be with what, student? Is the 6 gram of carbon. So answer here is second option. See the next question, question number 4. 1 gram atom of nitrogen represents 1 gram atom of nitrogen means how much, student? Will be equal to 14 gram of nitrogen. Now they want to see which of the following option will be equal to 1 gram atom of nitrogen, means I want 14 gram of nitrogen. So see the first option, 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 nitrogen molecule. If they are having Avogadro number of the molecules and the molecule is N2, means it is 28 gram, right students? So it will, the first will be with 28 gram. How much I want is 14 gram. See the second option, 22.4 liter of nitrogen. If the gas is nitrogen, it is occupying 22.4 dm cube, means again it is 28 gram. Come to the next option, 11.2 liter of nitrogen at NTP. You know that if I take 22.4 dm cube, then nitrogen will occupy 28 gram. So for 11.2, the volume has become half. So this will also become half, and this is 14 gram, which matches to the given option, right? Come to the next one, 28 gram of nitrogen means 1 mole of nitrogen. So here again it will be 28 gram. So we want 14 gram. So answer here for question number 4 will be third option, that is 11.2 liter or half liter, what is as STP is equal to 14 gram. So answer is third option. See question number 5. Which of the following contains maximum number of molecules? Students, from the formula, if you see the options here, you know that here they have given maximum number of molecules, and if you see the options, they all are given in cc, means the volume is given. So if you see the formula, molecules to volume, there is a direct relation. Avogadro number of molecules must occupy a volume of 22400 cm cube. So students, if number of molecules increases, volume will also increase, or if volume increases, number of molecules will also increase, because there is a direct relation. So if you see this, which will have maximum number of molecules will be more the cc here, or more is the volume here, more will be the number of molecules. So if you see the options here, the answer will be second option, that is 500 cc of ammonia at STP. So answer here is second option. So students, will be solving few more questions in the coming videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you students.